Okay, guys, I'm going to show you two things really quick, okay? I'm going to show you how to change a PDF to an image to be able to use that and insert it in this Google slide to create an editable worksheet for your students, okay? So you will go to pdf2image.com. You will go into upload files right here. This is where you would insert the worksheet that is in PDF format. You would insert that right there. This is my sample worksheet. You could insert a PDF that has a one page or a PDF that has many pages. It doesn't matter. And it takes just seconds to convert it into a zip file, and you hit download. It starts downloading here at the bottom left. Okay, I'm gonna make my screen just a little bit smaller because I just like to drag it to my desktop. So now this zip file is right here. Okay, when you unzip a file right here, you just right click it and you will hit extract all and extract it. It's gonna make the exact same. I'm gonna X this out. See how this was a zip file? I right clicked it and I clicked on extract all, and it created this file. So this file here, you could just delete. You don't need it anymore because now all your images would be in here if your PDF was more than one page. Okay, so that is the image that I will be working with. And let me go back to my Google slide. Okay, when you first open up a Google slide, you need to make sure that you change the page setup on file, page setup, to whatever size your worksheet is. This worksheet Google Slide automatically opens up to 16 by 9. You need to change that custom to the size of the worksheet that you are working with. Okay, so that changes your slide to fit the worksheet. These boxes here, you just highlight them and click delete. Okay, you go to your slide, you right click, you go to change background, choose your image. This is where your worksheet is. This is the image of your worksheet. And I went to, where was it? This one, sample worksheet. Okay, and this is where your image of that worksheet is, and what it does, it puts it in the background of a slide so kids cannot move it around. All you have to do now is insert text boxes. So here's a text box, and you put the text boxes, and you could type I don't know, anything. Type your name here. You could just change the font and make it as big or as small as you want, different kind of font or whatever, and then you will click it and then hit control and drag it and type the date here. Type the date here. Okay, and then you just give them some other boxes for them to insert and start typing their answers. Just do that. And then if you copy it, you just hit control and drag. You could do that, and that's it. So now it is editable for your kids to type, okay? So you have to make sure that you go to this share. It won't do it automatically. And make sure that you change this. And you have to click anyone with the link, okay? It has to be on anyone with the link for your students to be able to open it, okay? And then that's it. And then you hit done. And now you are able to embed this in your Canvas or wherever, and now it's editable, so your kids will be asked, or it's going to make a forced copy of it, so that way they don't change everybody's slide. So through Canvas, I have a video on that on my YouTube channel if you want to search for that. But on Canvas, it's automatic. I have Terry. Okay, on Canvas, it's automatic where it makes a copy for each child. They won't have to do anything but just open it up on Canvas. On Google Classroom, you have to give each child a copy. You have to make a copy for each child. And that's it. It should be editable, and then they just submit it back to you and it's done. And that's it.